Hello, and welcome to the Metro MLS webinar reviewing quick searches in tax information. In this webinar, we'll go over what a quick search is, how to create it, and use it. So let's begin. So to access tax information, you'll click on Menu, and then underneath Tax Info, click on Tax Information, where it'll open you up to the wire data page. Welcome to Property Link. So what a quick search is if you've done quick searches on the Flex side, same idea on the wire data side. It basically lets you build a template of specific fields so you can quickly search the information that you need to get each time that you use the quick search. So first I'll show you what a quick search is, and then I'll show you how to create one. So I've got a quick search here. I'm going to select Milwaukee and use my quick search. So I've got one called an assessor search. So in this search that I've created, this quick search, these are the fields that I've loaded in that I can search. So I'm hit use. So I'm going to search Milwaukee, city of, acres total. I'll do 3 acres to 5 for full basement, minimum 2 bedrooms. Okay, then I'll hit search. So here in the city of Milwaukee, based upon what the data that I entered in, I'll switch my view here, these are the properties that match that quick search for the information that I filled in. Okay. Alright, so I'll show you how to create your own quick searches. So to create a quick search, you'll go under Setup, and then underneath Setup, click on Quick Searches. So that brings you to the Create, Edit, or Use Your Quick Searches screen. So here you'll see my existing search that I have created. To create a new one, I'll click on New. So that brings me to the Create a New Quick Search screen. So first I'll give that search a name, so I'll just call it Test Quick Search. But you can call yours whatever you like to call it. Okay. Next, these are all of the fields that you can search on that you have available to you. So you can add them one at a time by selecting the field and hitting Add, or you can hold down your Control key, make your selections as you go down the list all at one time. And I'm not doing this in any type of order, I'm just grabbing things just to show you. Alright. And then I can hit Add after I've made all of my selections that I'd like. Then if I'd like them to appear in a certain order, I can move them around. So maybe I want property class first, so I'll move that up after I select it. Maybe I want the district next, and then the zip code. If I've selected something that I no longer want or did by mistake, I can select that item and hit Delete. If I'd like to clear out this whole side, I can hit Delete All. Now I have what I want, so I want to save this quick search. So now it's successfully saved. So in order to use the quick search, we'll go over into the navigation menu and click on Quick Searches. So there it is right there. So I'll select it and then hit Use. Then it brings me up into the screen where I can search it. So I did Milwaukee when I was showing you my example. Let's say I wanted to do Washington County and I didn't need Milwaukee, so I needed to clear this out. And you're thinking, well, how do I do this? Just go over to Choose Counties, deselect the county that you currently have selected and hit Save Counties, confirm, and then go back over to your quick search. And there you go. So now I'll select, what was that, Washington County, and click Use Quick Searches Search. Select my quick search, hit Use, then select the town that I want. Let's see, let's say I will do the town of Germantown. Okay, let's say I want to do residential properties in Germantown. Acres total between 1/2 and 1, and minimum bedrooms 2, and hit search. Didn't find any matching parcels, so let's try another search. So I'm going to deselect residential. Sometimes the property classes that we have listed here doesn't track back. If it doesn't track back on the tax record, and then I'll hit search. Alright, so maybe it's the bedrooms. I will take out the bedrooms and just do an acres total search. And there we go. So these are all of the parcels in town of Germantown that have at least a half an acre and 1 acre. So from here, I can go through. Now, if I wanted to look at residential properties, I have a view created called Standard Plus. I believe I've got the property type in there. Yep, just like that. So if you want to learn how to use one of these views, because you can see residential is here, it just didn't track back on the tax report, you can create this view. Just watch the tax information views tutorial. So this is how you can create your quick searches. Going back over to quick search, if you need to edit the template, you just select it and hit edit, and it'll take you back in, and then you can save any changes. If you decide you no longer want it, that quick search, you can select it and hit delete. Confirm and OK. And these are not recoverable once you have deleted them. This will conclude our tutorial of quick searches in tax information.